What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on MARA stock. First of all, brief information about this company. We are on Marathon website and we are on section overview, and it says Marathon is a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. We currently operate our proprietary data center in Hardin, Montana with a maximum power capacity of 105 megawatts. The company also owns 2,060 advanced ASIC Bitcoin miners at a co-hosted facility in North Dakota. Once fully deployed, the company's mining fleet will consist of more than 103,000 miners capable of producing 10.36 exahash per second. And this number is mind-blowing. And here is their financials, and I have to say that they are a little bit outdated because their latest report was on November the 10th, and it was the earnings report of Q3 2020, so the latest data is September the 30th, and around the Q3 2020 average price of Bitcoin was around $10, and for now we are hovering right around $50,000 per share. That's why these numbers are a little bit outdated. Nevertheless, they are amazing, and their total market cap as of now is $2.88 billion. They have revenue of they had revenue of $1.99 million, and with a gross profit of negative $4.02 million. And the most impressive numbers are here. They had total cash of $17.25 million with the total debt of $200,000. That's why their current ratio is 27.85, and everything that is above 1.5 is a very good sign for the company. And here we have 27.85. And as of Q3 2020, their net operating cash flow was negative $4.57 million. And for now, their latest data as of January 2021, they are cash flow positive. They have more than $458 million in cash and crypto. They haven't any long-term debt, and they are on track to produce from 55 to 60 BTC per day. And here is the chart, and it is a predictable revenue driving profitability. And by February 2022, they will have total revenue of about $60 million with the gross profit of more than $50 million. And their total cost will be right under $10 million. And these figures are amazing, and I totally believe in these figures because of the total sentiment of the crypto market. And the crypto market is booming right now. As you can see, we are on some consolidation phase, but I can assure you that Bitcoin and other main cryptocurrencies will skyrocket soon. And by the end of 2021, I think Bitcoin might hit more than $100,000 per Bitcoin. That's why, as you can see, we have this picture among institutional investors, and as you can see, all the green lines indicates opening positions, and as you can see, all over the February, the mid-February, we have only green lines, and just several red lines. But nevertheless, the main trend is to buy the share of this company. And here is the article on Seeking Alpha, and it was published on February 26, 2021. And the summary, it says Marathon Patent Group riding the Bitcoin wave higher. And the summary of this article has 3 bullets. First bullet: the Bitcoin revolution continues as the price continues to gain traction above 50k per Bitcoin. Second bullet: next on the list of companies exploiting the trend is the Bitcoin miner Marathon Patent Group. And the third bullet is Marathon is highly levered to the price of Bitcoin, setting up asymmetrical upside if the price Bitcoin accelerates higher. And I completely agree with this point, and that's why this company is quite risky, and it is very dependent by the price of Bitcoin. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. And if you like this video, hit the like button. It helps me a lot. So we are on marathon pattern chart, and here we can see clear waves across their structure. And in my opinion, we have something like this. This was the internal wave, and I mark it as a third wave, as you can see. And here was the beginning of the first wave, then second retracement, third, this huge wave was the third one, fourth, and now we are on the fifth wave. And in my opinion, we are more likely to finish this wave right here. And now we are on retracement for all of this movement. Let me show you on a log scale in order to you better understand these movements. As you can see, this was the first wave, second, this huge was the third, confirmed by the volume, as you can see down here. And now we are on fifth wave, and we have to retrace all the wave down. And that's why I took the Fibonacci retracement tool, pull it from the bottom of the whole structure, and the second point at the top of this wave. And as you can see, let me show you a little bit closer, we've almost hit 0.5 level, then bounced back for more than 40%, and now we again hovering right in the middle of 0.382 and 0.5 level. So what should you do with this company? If you believe in cryptocurrencies, if you believe in crypto miners, and if you are biased to cryptosphere, then you might enter the position, because we've already retraced for more than 47. We've retraced for around 50%. So here is the perfect entry points for you as an investor in this company. And even if you want to trade, we have this structure, we've bounced back and then retraced this small wave. And that's why at the opening hours you might enter your long position. Let me switch to 4-hour chart. And from this point you will have two possibilities of stop losses. Let me show you. You might enter your position right here, and your stop loss might be at around 10%. It is right below this previous pivot point. And if you want to be more protected by the stop loss, and if you don't want to be kicked off from this trade, your stop loss might be slightly lower this previous pivot point, and this is the main pivot for the whole structure. That's why I think 14.52% is a more viable target for potential stop loss. And let me project some targets for this trade. So first target will be, of course, at the top of this wave. So it will be a huge resistance right here, and first target will be around 65.34% with the risk to reward ratio of 4.5 to 1. And let me project next target. I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the whole structure to the top of whole structure and to the bottom of the retracement. I made it a little bit wrong. I have to put it right here. And if we assume that this is the third wave on a greater scale, then we have to finish our fifth wave, and that's why our projected targets will be right here. Most conservative target will be at 0.786 extension level. Second target will be at one-to-one extension. It is $74.43, and the most aggressive target will be at 1.618 extension level, and it will be around $104. And for these targets your potential profits might be from 100% for the first target to 100 and around 40% for second one, and around 240% for the third one. And this is the information about the trade, and here is information about investment. So we are right here at in the middle of 0.382 and 0.5 level. So if you want to invest, you can to accumulate your position right in the opening hours. Then your next entry point will be right here, and here we have the strong support, as you can see, and we can have this support right here, and here was the resistance, and now for now it is a support, and here we can see the same level of resistance, pretty much the same. That's why it is your second potential entry point, and the least probable in terms of hitting by price, but the most probable of trend reversal is golden pocket as usual. And basically that's it. I think this company will skyrocket with the price of cryptocurrencies, and that's it for now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.